When it comes to living a long and vibrant life, few things are as vital as a well-functioning immune system. The immune system is our body's intricate defense network, working tirelessly to ward off infections, repair cellular damage, and maintain overall health. But as we age, this defense can weaken, making us more susceptible to illness and chronic disease. The good news? Nutrition is one of the most powerful tools we have to support, strengthen, and rejuvenate our immune system, helping us not only to feel our best today, but also to pave the way for longevity and quality of life in the years ahead. To understand how nutrition impacts immunity and aging, it helps to get a picture of how the immune system works. Our bodies are constantly exposed to bacteria, viruses, and other potentially harmful invaders. Specialized cells and molecules, including white blood cells, antibodies, and cytokines, act as sentinels and soldiers, identifying and neutralizing threats before they can do harm. But this complex web of defense relies on a steady supply of specific nutrients, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that fuel its activity and keep it operating smoothly. One of the most important foundations for immune health is a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds offer a broad spectrum of nutrients and fiber that nourish our cells and support gut health. The gut, often called the second brain, is home to trillions of bacteria and immune cells. A healthy gut microbiome helps regulate inflammation, trains the immune system, and guards against pathogens. Fiber-rich foods act as prebiotics, feeding beneficial bacteria and promoting the diversity that's essential for strong immune function. Antioxidants are another critical piece of the puzzle. These powerful compounds, found in colorful plant foods, help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and accelerate aging. Vitamins A, C, and E are well-known antioxidants, but so are thousands of lesser-known phytochemicals, like flavonoids and carotenoids. These compounds don't just protect our cells from oxidative stress. They also modulate immune responses, helping to keep inflammation in check and supporting cellular repair. Vitamin C is especially famous for its role in immune health. Not only does it support the activity of white blood cells and enhance the skin's barrier function, but it also helps regenerate other antioxidants within the body. Citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, bell peppers, and broccoli are excellent sources. Consuming a variety of these foods each day ensures a steady supply of this vital nutrient, which can reduce the duration and severity of common illnesses like colds. Vitamin D is another key player, and its importance for longevity cannot be overstated. This fat-soluble vitamin acts more like a hormone, influencing the expression of hundreds of genes, including those involved in immune regulation. Vitamin D deficiency is associated with increased susceptibility to infections, autoimmune disorders, and even some cancers. While sunlight is the best natural source, vitamin D can also be found in fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods. Especially in older adults, supplementation may be necessary to maintain optimal levels, as the skin's ability to synthesize vitamin D decreases with age. Zinc is a mineral that's vital for the development and function of immune cells. Even a mild deficiency can impair the body's ability to fight off viruses and bacteria. Zinc also supports wound healing and reduces inflammation. Good dietary sources include shellfish, seeds, nuts, whole grains, and legumes. Because the body doesn't store zinc, regular intake is essential, especially for older adults who may be at higher risk of deficiency. Selenium is another trace mineral with powerful antioxidant properties. It helps regulate immune responses, prevents cellular damage, and may even play a role in reducing cancer risk. Brazil nuts are among the richest sources, but selenium is also found in seafood, poultry, eggs, and whole grains. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts per day can provide the recommended amount, but it's important not to overdo it, as excessive selenium can be harmful. Beyond vitamins and minerals, certain foods have been shown to offer unique immune-boosting benefits. Mushrooms, for example, contain beta-glucans, compounds that enhance the activity of immune cells and support the body's ability to resist infection. Garlic and onions are rich in allicin and other sulfur-containing compounds that possess antimicrobial properties, helping to fend off viruses and bacteria. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut are teeming with probiotics, which replenish healthy gut bacteria and improve the body's resilience to disease. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, as well as in flax seeds and walnuts, have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is a major driver of aging and degenerative disease, weakening the immune system and promoting tissue breakdown. By incorporating omega-3s into your diet, you help dial down inflammation, support heart and brain health, and create a healthier environment for immune cells to thrive. Polyphenols, plant compounds found in foods like green tea, berries, dark chocolate, and olive oil, are another group of nutrients with immune-modulating effects. They help balance immune responses, reduce oxidative stress, and may even promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Drinking green tea, snacking on berries, and using extra virgin olive oil in cooking are simple ways to harness the longevity-promoting power of polyphenols. It's not just what you eat, but also how you eat that matters for immune health and longevity. Consistent meal timing, mindful eating, and avoiding excessive snacking can help regulate blood sugar and reduce inflammation. Overeating, especially of processed foods high in sugar and unhealthy fats, can impair immune function and accelerate aging. Instead, focus on balanced meals that combine lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. These combinations help stabilize energy levels and provide a sustained supply of nutrients to fuel immune activity throughout the day. Hydration is another cornerstone of health. Water supports the transport of nutrients, removal of toxins, and optimal function of every cell, including those of the immune system. Herbal teas, broths, and water-rich fruits and vegetables can all contribute to daily hydration needs. Limiting sugary drinks and alcohol helps prevent immune suppression and supports overall vitality. While nutrition forms the foundation, lifestyle factors also play a crucial role in immune health and longevity. Regular physical activity, adequate sleep, stress management, and healthy social connections all work in synergy with nutrition to keep the immune system robust. Exercise, for example, boosts circulation and mobilizes immune cells, while sleep allows for cellular repair and memory consolidation. Chronic stress, by contrast, suppresses immune activity, making it more difficult for the body to fight off illness. Mindful practices like meditation, yoga, and spending time in nature can help reduce stress and support immune resilience. As we age, it's natural for the immune system to undergo changes, a phenomenon known as immunosenescence. This gradual decline in immune function makes older adults more vulnerable to infections, cancer, and chronic diseases. However, research shows that many of these changes are not inevitable. By adopting a nutrient-rich diet and healthy lifestyle, it's possible to slow the aging of the immune system and enhance both lifespan and health span. The years of life spent in good health. It's also important to recognize that individual needs may vary. Genetics, environment, existing health conditions, and even the medications we take can influence nutrient requirements and immune function. For example, certain chronic illnesses or digestive disorders may impair nutrient absorption, necessitating targeted dietary changes or supplementation. Working with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can help tailor nutrition strategies to your unique needs. In summary, immune-boosting nutrition is about more than just avoiding illness. It's about cultivating vitality, resilience, and longevity from the inside out. By focusing on whole foods, prioritizing key nutrients, and balancing your plate with a variety of colors and textures, you support every layer of your body's defenses. Pair these dietary habits with regular movement, restorative sleep, and stress-reducing activities, and you create an environment where your immune system can flourish. The path to longevity isn't a secret, nor is it unattainable. It's built, one meal and one choice at a time, on the simple principles of nourishment, balance, and care for your body. With each bite of a crisp apple, each handful of leafy greens, and each sip of water, You are investing in years of vibrant life. The immune system is your lifelong ally. Honor it, nourish it, and let it guide you toward a future filled with health, energy, and possibility. As you move forward, remember that small changes can make a profound impact over time. Start by adding an extra serving of vegetables to your meals, replacing processed snacks with nuts or fruit, or trying a new fermented food each week. Notice how your body responds. More energy, better digestion, fewer colds, and a greater sense of well-being. Trust in the wisdom of your body and the power of nutrition to support your health at every age. Longevity is not just about counting years, but about making those years count. By choosing immune-boosting nutrition, you empower yourself to live fully, embrace each day, and look forward to a future of strength and vitality. Your journey begins with the choices you make today, so nourish your immune system, cherish your health, and celebrate the gift of life.